How's it going, guys? Lionheart here, and today I'm doing a review on the 1x1 portable Bluetooth keyboard. This is $37 on Amazon. I'll have links in the description to that. They have the black version and they have a silver one. Both are the same price. So, I'm going to move that out of the way. Here is the bottom of it. As you can see here, that's how it opens up. It's pretty cool. The green light's going to come on. There is no power switch, just when you open it up it will turn on by itself, and when you close it, it will shut off. So to charge it, micro USB comes with one, of course, in the box right here. Just your simple micro USB charger. Also comes with a manual. I'm not going to read it, but I'm going to show you it. So if you need to see any of this, go ahead and pause the video. And here's just a little bit more of the back. So the keyboard's really easy to operate. To turn your Bluetooth on, you're going to press FN and C. Press them at the same time, you're going to see the blue light come on. Now we're going to open up our phone. Go to our settings. Turn our Bluetooth on. It's going to connect 1x1 keyboard, and we are connected. So now we're going to go to our notes. See if I can get a good focus. We're going to tap to add memo. So it's really easy to type on. I really like it. Of course, backspace. Everything works fine. So it's really simple to use. So this is, of course, $37 on Amazon, like I said. If you guys would like to buy one, check it out. Really cool. Folds up pretty small. You could probably fit this in your pocket. I don't know about that. It's kind of big. But really portable, of course. So links in the description, guys. Peace out.